Arbitrary arguments in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss the arbitrary keyword arguments in Python programming language. So let's get started. If you don't know how many keyword arguments that will be passed into your function, use an asterisk before the parameter name to denote this kind of argument. Let me show you that in action. Here we have a function, and it is a simple function, and it is called fruits. After the name of the function called fruits, and in between the parentheses of this function, we placed asterisk name. And inside the body or the local scope of that fruits function, we put the print function to print the fruit as string plus the name, and the values that we are going to put for the name argument when we call the fruits function, and these values will be passed into the function and placed in this position. Now let's call this function called fruits with multiple values for the name argument or parameter. But if we call this function in this situation, it will cause an error. Let me show you what this error is. We just called this function here with different values for the name argument: apple, fig, and cherry. This is a tuple of 3 values. But in this case we got type error, because you have to place the index of the value or the item from the tuple that you want to place as a value for the name parameter or argument. Simply you can solve this error by placing the index number of an item from a tuple. For example, the index 0 for apple, the index 1 for fig, and the index 2 is for cherry, the last item in the tuple, exactly as follows. This is a very easy and simple process. As you can see, you can try it yourself easily. And if you encounter any problems or errors, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.